Hey everybody. So I thought I'd come on here and do something different this time. I'm really big into animals, and I am Reiki certified. And what I'd like to do is do a reading that's out of the ordinary, because really animals are the heart of all of our relationships in life. Um, they reveal hidden dynamics about us and words that are left unspoken. They remind us of our best and our worst selves. Okay, so what I'd like to do is a 4 card reading today, and find out what's going on between you and another person. So if this reading resonates, then please take it for what it's worth. And if it doesn't resonate, leave it for someone who does. Okay? And like and share and subscribe if you would. I greatly appreciate it. That gets me up in the algorithms here as a reader and pulls in more people towards me. So if you were drawn to this reading, it's because your animal spirit is drawing you to look deeper within. So with that said, let's get started. All right, Spirit. So the first question I'm going to ask is, I'm going to ask Spirit to show us you. What's your current energy right now? What is your animal spirit at this time? Let's find out. And whoever, like I said, whoever this resonates for, let me shuffle the cards real quick. Whoa, they're wanting to come out already, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're just shuffling here. Oh my gosh. All right, Spirit. Holy shaya. I actually pre-shuffled these, so we'll shuffle them just a couple more times here. Take that, put that on the bottom. Spirit's playful today. Okay. Cut the deck. Okay, so Spirit, what is the top energy? What is the energy of the person in question? Okay, I only need 1 card. Spirit, we'll take this one. Okay, we've got fish. Okay, so we could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, fish, water energy. Okay, let's check out the book. Yeah, and we just had a full moon too, so this is interesting. Let's see here. All right, so the other person's energy. Let's keep going. Spirit, whoa, okay. Other person's energy, the bear. Okay, so yeah, let's see what we got. Okay. What's the shadow dynamic, Spirit? Oh my good Lord. One card, Spirit, 1 card. Okay, so I'm going to take that as the shadow, Spirit. Now, what is the illuminated dynamic between these two? What is the illuminated dynamic between these energies, Spirit? 1 card, please. 1 card. That's 2 cards. What's the illuminated energy? Cobra. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so the fish, this is somebody, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy. All right. Okay, guys, so the fish is someone who is, again, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, very intuitive, very charming. Okay, this is your energy, whoever this is resonating with, very thoughtful, insightful energy. The energy that you're dealing with is the bear spirit. Okay, this is somebody with a lot of formidable strength, somebody who is very insightful, a primal force in your life of some kind, somebody who makes you think outside the box, okay? Somebody who opens you up to new thought processes, someone who has the courage to evolve, and someone who is reminding you of this own spirit within yourself, okay? All right, so the energy, the shadow dynamic between these two energies here, the bear and the fish, is a horse, okay? The horse is, it represents freedom above all else. So the shadow dynamic means that one of you, probably this Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy, is searching for freedom somewhere in their life, okay? And this bear energy is either already surrounding you or is coming into your life to help you with courage, okay? Courage to find that freedom, which is the horse energy. The horses are majestic animals, okay? They embody independence, endurance, nobleness, triumph over adversity. So this is the shadow aspect. So instead of, I would say, the fish, I would say that the horse is telling you to look within and reflect on adversities that you've made it through, okay? It could be something in your life that, you know, still ponders, it still floats around in your brain once in a while, like, you know, some random painful memory that you get annoyed with of something that happened in the past, okay, that you're still, after like 10, 15, 20 years, you're still holding on to this little mini annoyance. Like when you think about it, you just get annoyed, okay? That is the blockage. That's a blockage. So the horse comes in as the shadow energy to remind you of that simple blockage. It could be something simple like that, but go within, go deeper, okay? Now, the illuminated dynamic between you two is the cobra. Ooh, that's a biggie. Okay, guys, so the illuminated dynamic between these two energies, the bear and the fish, actually I have that backwards here, is the cobra, okay? The cobra is all about power. It represents healing. So the cobra is coming in to illuminate something within your dynamic that's going to bring a powerful healing. Cobras also represent family, okay? It represents that a change needs to be taking place to move you forward, okay, and bring about healing between both of these energies. You know, cobras are also letting you know that maybe you have family members that you need to pay more attention to. which will in turn bring healing for both of you, both aspects. It also means to take care of your family members and to protect them. And, maybe if you've, lost sight of what's important within your family dynamic, then this Cobra is coming in to remind you of that power that you have with a family unit and the love and the bond, that you have. It also means that you might need to accept some challenges along the way, and new experiences and new adventures, but that the power you have within you and the love that you have with your family and for yourself is what's going to bring about this illuminated outcome for you in this relationship. Okay, it means you're going to achieve great things. So this is a very powerful card. Okay, it's very clear to me. Another symbolism that is possible is you might need to act quickly in some aspect. You might be in a situation that could be harmful, or potential harm could take place, so you may need to be on guard and act quickly. So also, when this energy is around, or if anyone embodying the bear energy is around, think and act quickly if you need to, which just means observe from all angles. Okay, so that's a really cool reading. I hope you guys liked this reading. It's really important that we get in touch with our spirit animals, because animals, they pierce into the heart of us, and they also have a soul, and it is their innate nature to balance their own energies. Okay, they do it on a daily basis, and they come into our lives that teach us how to do the same. Okay, it's having an animal in your life is a beautiful blessing. Okay, we forget often in the attempt to find pleasure and peace within ourselves in our life. We forget to dive into the great mystery of life and explore our inner contradictions, our complex natures, and the endless mystery of who we are. So this reading could start the exploration by looking outside ourselves and asking Mother Nature for guidance. So what we can learn from all these great creatures who inhabit our planet is something that is slow and stealth in nature. So take heed, and please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this reading and how I read. I'm going to be coming on here a little more, doing more for you later. Okay, thank you, and so much love and light and blessings to everyone. I enjoy doing these readings. I'm very tapped into Divine Spirit, and I've got some creative readings coming up for you guys to really help you work through your energy blockages and really understand the dynamic between animals and our own innate abilities, because we are animals in ourselves. Okay, so with that being said, I wish you all a very blessed, beautiful day, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Much love.